may I please call upon Dr. Anil Joshi, the first real hero in the category of rural development.
Dr. Joshi has electrified more than 1,000 villages in the Himalayan region with the help of simple technology and revived 7th century grain milling apparatus to produce electricity.
मैं और मेरा गांव और देश के करीब 60 करोड़ लोग थके हुए और हारे हुए से लोग हैं। 60 करोड़ लोग इस देश के एक और चीज चाहते हैं। उद्योग में आपने क्रांति दी है इस देश को। उन 60 करोड़ लोगों की एक और इच्छा है और उनकी आशा है कि एक ऐसा भी उद्योग होना चाहिए जहां उनकी 50% की भागीदारी हो, जिसका अपना नयापन हो, जो इस देश और दुनिया के लिए एक नया उदाहरण हो। क्योंकि आज देश 2 भागों में साफ बंट रहा है, गांव और शहर। ऐसे प्रयोग की शुरुआत अगर आप कर सकें जहां हमारे गांवों के संसाधन हो, आपका बाजार, आपकी निपुणता और आपका स्किल, अगर ये दोनों मिलकर 50% की भागीदारी में कुछ सोचें तो शायद हम एक देश को एक नया आयाम देंगे। और आपने हमें जो ये सम्मान दिया है, आपको देश के 60 करोड़ लोग सम्मान देंगे। इसी के साथ मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं।
Dr. Joshi, thanks very much. Calling for people's participation there, Dr. Anil Joshi. Our next real hero is Deep Joshi. I do believe Deep is not here with us this evening, but I'd like to call on Somen Biswas to come and take the award on behalf of Deep Joshi.
DEEP is a remarkable foundation. Remember, it recruits graduates from India's premier institute, gets them to work in rural areas. More than 250 graduates now work in the villages of India through Pradhan, mainly in the Jharkhand area.
Thank you very much. And you see, this is a recognition of the cause that we are working for. All people who have been honored here are working directly at the grassroots with disadvantaged either communities or even those who have lives. Pradhan was set up with the belief that caring and competent people are required at the grassroots to work with disadvantaged communities. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Biswas. Mr. Biswas, of course, taking the award for Deep Joshi. Well, the third real hero in the category of rural development is Mr. Prabhakar. He actually left a job in America to start a microcredit quite in the lines of Mohammadun Grameen Bank.
I want to quote here what my friend and colleague and mentor, Dr. Muhammad Yunus, said when he accepted the Nobel Peace Prize in 1996 in Oslo. He said, suppose there is a tall tree. The seed of that tree, if you plant it in a small pot, how far it will grow? It will grow only a few inches. That is not the fault of the seed. Same thing with the poor rural woman. You give them little bit capital, guidance, leadership, and motivation, they will come up. I heard here saying the might of the corporate and the muscle of the media, and if you can please add, the mind of the masses, we can create wonders.
Last award in the rural development category, and we're giving it out to Sushma Iyengar. I do believe Sushma is not here this evening. Meera Goradia is taking the award on her behalf.
Ladies and gentlemen, I can tell you from first-hand experience that if Kutch has been rebuilt today after the earthquake, one of the main driving forces was the Kutch Vikas Abhiyan. They did tremendous work there. Want to say something quickly on behalf of Sushma?
Thank you, Reliance. Thank you, CNN. Salam to all the real heroes. I take this award for Khamir Craft Resource Center, which is one of the organizations Sushma is a part of. This was set up after the earthquake to look into the problems of the craft artisans. We provide a platform for its marketing, credit, product development needs. And one day I just hope that we'll make products good enough for Shabana ji and Amir ji to be brand ambassadors for. Thank you.
मेरा ख्याल है कि देश के लिए जान देने की नहीं, जिंदगी देने की जरूरत है.
In spite of a corrupt bureaucracy, in spite of the vested interest, they are trying to serve their country. They are real heroes.